Hello everyone, so this is my first time being back after not playing my phone for a while because I lost it. I'm showing you all the big cats. So first, we have Theo. He's 1 year old and he was given birth from another cat we had before. Next, we have Sin. Look up, Sin. She's the one who gave birth to the kittens that I showed you the other time before. Now, if I go downstairs, please don't worry about those spiders over there. If I go all the way down here, look, there's Armin. See Armin? He's the chunkiest, and he's the second sleepiest. Sin. Hi, Sin. Look how cute she is. She's a very cute girl. Armin. Look at Armin. Okay, let's go see Theo for one last time. Say hi to the camera, boy. Say hi to the camera.